Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we have the youngest, most amazing griller that I know in the whole Florida, because I don't know anybody else younger than him that do grilling, and he's here with us to show you guys how to cook this thing. I mean, you feel confident?
Yeah, I'm pretty confident. I mean, I've never cooked Wagyu, but I mean, I'm pretty confident I can put it off.
How do you like it? How beautiful that's looking, huh?
The marbling is amazing.
That's a nice, beautiful looking Wagyu right there.
Yeah.
And I mean, if he can do it, guys, this is just to demonstrate to you guys. This is a really easy steak to make. If he can do it, I'm gonna let him do everything. If he can do it, you can do it, and everybody can do it, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's the way it is, isn't it? But before getting into that, guys, remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. We're putting 2 videos online every week with a lot of fun, a lot of grilling, a lot of barbecuing, and a lot of smoking, a lot of crazy stuff. If you like any of those things, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and now let's get into this, baby. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
And here you can see the makings of a future amazing griller. He's patting this baby dry, making sure that nothing interferes between the flavor and the salt. For the salt, we use a Maldon salt, which is the one that I really like, and we use it on pretty much everything. After that, we just added a little bit of pepper, not too much. We don't want those flavors to pop up and make it real good. And, of course, a little bit of garlic powder. That's all we added, guys. That's it.
Alright guys, as you can see, this was really simple.
Yeah.
How do you like it?
Amazing, man.
How do you like that salt, man?
That's cool. It's like
that's
a pyramid
cool
salt.
as hell, huh?
Yeah.
That's a beautiful salt, guys. I mean, we reviewed that salt here so many times that I know you guys know about that one. And now what we're gonna do with this is we're gonna create a little bit of a compound butter that I know you're gonna like. He's gonna create it. He's gonna be doing everything else today, guys. I'm just gonna be filming. And then we're gonna cook this baby up, brother. What do you think?
I can look at the steak for hours and hours. The marbling is I think I've only done compound butter once. I did it because I got like saran wrap and I made it into like a little thing like that and I put it over pork chops.
The compound butter was really simple too. We don't want to go too crazy about this because we want those flavors from that Wagyu to come up and make me feel good. Thyme, chives, and garlics. That's all we're gonna put into this butter and it's gonna taste amazing. But first, let me let the chef tell you about it.
Now I'm just gonna add the thyme, the chives, and the garlic to the melted butter.
In a very simple but energetic way, he adds all the ingredients into the butter. And then after that, he adds a little bit of salt and that little touch that we all need, a little bit of pepper. He wants to make this steak the best ever, and I think he has the right plan.
And let's go grilling.
The chef decided that this is going to be a reverse sear, so we want to put it on the side until it hit 120 degrees internal temperature, and then we just sear this baby up. While the steak is searing, he added the compound butter just for the final touch. This is a beautiful creation.
Wow, guys, Mr. Jacomino kick it out of the park today. Look at this beauty, brother.
It's really
Wow. What can I say to this? Man, it's so juicy. Look at that. Well, this is the first time for Mr. Jacomino to try Wagyu. And I don't really want to make him wait anymore because he's going crazy over there. What do you think, Mr. Jacomino?
It's really, really good.
You think you're gonna like it?
Perfectly cooked, yeah. It's really good.
You did a good job here, brother. Man, that was good stuff. Let's go for it, man. I have to let you try it because this is deliciousness in a package. All right, let me get a piece of myself. Oh, all right, guys, this is good stuff. Let's go for it. Wow.
There's some really beefy butter, man.
Wow, Mr. Jacomino, how do you like this thing, brother? Tell me.
Best steak of my life.
Talk about the flavor, Mr. Jacomino. What do you think about this flavor, brother?
Super beefy,
Man.
super tender. It's really, really good.
Guys, this thing is amazing. This thing is crazy good. This thing is
delicious, bro.
delicious, brother. This is amazing. This is crazy good.
And sisters.
Oh my goodness. You freaked me out. Miss Ninja, you have to try this thing. It's amazing. And Mr. Jacomino cooked it by himself.
You know what? The most impressive part, guys, he's only 12. So all the pit masters and gurus out there, watch out, my dear.
Guys, if he can do this beautiful piece of meat,
yes,
you can do it.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
definitely. But let's keep trying this thing because this thing is not gonna survive the next half an hour. So this is gonna die here, guys. We have to kill this guy, man.
So let me have a piece.
All right, I'm gonna have a piece for you, Miss Ninja.
Beautiful, look, beautiful.
So
Look,
buttery.
oh my gosh.
So buttery, brother.
Oh,
Oh man. And we have Mr. Jacomino Senior over there. Come over, brother.
Daddy's in the house still,
I
so
I want you
come
to
over.
try this beauty.
Oh, it's my turn.
Tell me, what do you think about that? I love the face of the people that never tried Wagyu before. That's ridiculous. That's how good it is, brother. Talk to me. It's amazing. He can talk.
He's speechless.
So, Mr. Jacomino, how difficult was it for you to do it?
It wasn't difficult.
It wasn't difficult at all. Did you do these kind of things before exactly the way we did it here?
Yes, but not with Wagyu.
Okay, not with Wagyu, but you cooked regular steak.
Yeah.
And you didn't change anything. Just you cook it like a regular steak, isn't it?
Yeah. Salt, pepper, garlic, normal charcoal.
That's the whole idea, guys. You just cook it as a regular steak. It's gonna be amazing. It's a really forgiving meat. It tastes amazing. It's really difficult for you guys to mess it up. So I'm inviting you guys. If you want to try a beautiful piece of meat, you don't have to be afraid to cook it. You can do it. If he can do it, anybody can do it. I can do it. Mr. Georgie can do it. Even the flamingo and the pug can do it. Everybody can do this thing, man. This is amazing. And you, if you haven't tried it, what do you think, Mr. Jacomino?
I want another piece.
He wants another piece. If you never tried this thing,
It's really good.
you should try it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Mr. Jacomino, you want to say a shout out to your people?
Yeah. Shout out to Miss Marchand. Shout out to my drama class at South Miami Middle School.
Drama class, woo, baby!
Shout out to Nico, Tristan, and Jaden.
There you go, guys. Shout out to you guys. And we also have the shout out share going on. And Mr. Jacomino here is going to help us out with this. So let's get into the shout out share. All right, we have the shout out share here, and we have to check it, check it, check it, check it, check it, check it. Check it, check it, check it, check it, check it. There you go. I like it. That's the way Miss Ninja should do it all the time. She never do it that way. All right, get a paper. One only. There you go. Let's see who's the winner of the shout out share today. Oh my goodness. Summer Safari from Canada, bro. Finally, you come out, Summer, brother. And you came out on the perfect day, brother, because this is an amazing state that you should try. And all you have to do is come over here, sit on that chair, eat your meat, and let Mr. Georgie lick you all over the face. And that's it, brother. Come over. Oh, man, you're going to love this one. Guys, this is a real spectacular piece of meat that anybody can cook. And that is amazing. And it tastes crazy good as something that you never tried before.
There's nothing like this steak. There's nothing like
There is nothing like that. I mean, you can go into the Japanese and all that, but again, the Japanese is something that you're gonna really enjoy, but it's really rich. It's something that you will eat once and be done with it. This is something that if you could, you can eat it every day. You will never get bored of eating this thing. It's amazing.
Never gets old.
Never gets old.
There you go.
So if you like that video, guys, please hit us with a like.
Lots of likes.
If you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know why, because even Mr. Giacomino here subscribes already for a long time. He's been our subscriber for a long time. So subscribe to the channel.
And
Definitely.
yes, don't forget to hit the bell so you will be notified every single Tuesdays and Fridays every time we upload a new video for you guys.
Listen to Miss Ninja. And if you have any comment, any question, any idea, anything to say about this meat or the process or anything that we do here, please put it down there in the comments. That's all for today, guys. But remember that I love you.
We love you.
Do you love them?
Yeah.
You love them, guys?
I love this kid.
Man, that was awesome. Well, guys, we have this T-bone. This is an extra one.
Oh, yes.
Guys, this is Mr. Giacomino's mom cooked this for us.
That's
A beautiful
amazing.
T-bone that we're gonna devour now. Let's go for it, Miss Ninja. Let's cut this T-bone up.
Let's cut it. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it. Mom, why are you doing this to me?
That's so beautiful.
And you know what? Remember, everybody's like, oh, we want to see Miss Ninja cheat on her keto diet. I guess today's a day. Look at this beauty. Whoa.
Oh,
It's a cake. I love it. I love it.
That's awesome. Thank you
Mom,
so much.
Thank you, my love. This is amazing. Mwah.
Thank
we
you,
love
Mommy.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mom. Here we go.
That's beautiful.
I'm cheating today
You cheating on what?
on my keto diet.
Okay, okay.
I'm cheating on the keto diet, honey. Don't worry.